Hello everyone. Let's read and write CVC words. Are you ready? Let's go. We have 4 pictures here. Let's name the pictures. Pen, peg, net, bed. Now let's write the word pen. Pen. P, e, n, p, e, n. Pen. Peg, peg. P, e, g, p, e, g. Peg. Net, net. N, e, t, n, e, t. Net. Bed, bed. B, e, d, b, e, d. Bed. Well done, everyone. Fantastic reading and writing. We have 4 more pictures. Let's name the pictures. Lid, log, leg, hen. Now let's write the word lid. Lid. L, I, d. L, I, d. Lid. Log, log. L, o, g. L, o, g. Log. Leg, leg. L, e, g. L, e, g. Leg. Hen, hen. H, e, n. H, e, n. Hen. Fantastic. Well done. Great reading and writing. Now 4 more pictures. Let's name the pictures. Hat, hug, fin, men. Now let's write the word hat. Hat. H, a, t. H, a, t. Hat. Hug, hug. H, a, g. H, a, g. Hug. Fin, fin. F, I, n. F, I, n. Fin. Men, men. M, e, n. M, e, n. Men. Well done, everyone. Fantastic reading and writing. Great work. Well done. Hello, parents. Please visit my Etsy store where you will find many handmade phonics resources that will help your child with their reading and writing skills. These resources has helped my class to become fluent readers, and it will guarantee to help your child too. I will leave a link in description. Thank you.